Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is Introduction to Boolean Algebra. In school days, you already learn about algebra. Algebra is to define some variables, right? Like x plus y is equal to 13, x square plus y plus 2z, etc. etc. Okay. Then what is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra means algebra for logic circuit for digital signal. Okay, we know that digital signal consists of two values, zeros and ones. Okay, so for that, to represent a digital signal, we introduced a Boolean algebra. Who introduced Boolean algebra? George Boole. In George Boole developed the Boolean algebra concept. Okay, it is described as algebra of logic, or algebra of two values, that is either true or false, either 0 or 1, either on off. Okay, so the term logic means giving the binary decisions like true or false. Okay, next. So it is used to perform logical operation. Mainly Boolean algebra is used for logical operation. So the basic operations available for Boolean algebra are only three. Okay, those are AND, OR, and NOT operation. So what is AND? AND operation means whatever inputs we have. Here in this example, we have two inputs, X and Y. Okay, and AND logic is represented as dot. It is a logical multiplication. X dot Y. Okay, we can call as x into y or xy. Okay, so the output, this is one of the Boolean expression. The output of this expression is 1 if and only if when inputs are high, when all inputs are high. See here, when both inputs are high, then only output is high. At remaining times, output is 0. This is defined as logic AND operation. Okay, logic AND operation. Next, logic OR operation. Logic OR operation, the expression is given as x plus y. Okay, here also we have only two variables, x, y. The output is 1 when any one of the input is 1. Output is 1 when any one of the input is 1. That is OR operator. Okay, denoted as x plus y. Okay, next, NOT operator. NOT operator means complement of that variable. Okay, we denoted as x bar. Sorry, here something is missed. That is x bar. Okay, or x complement. Like you can write like this: x bar or x dash. You can call anything. Okay, so it performs the complement operation. Okay, if x is 0, x bar will be 1. If x is 1, x bar will be 0. Okay, next, truth table. What is truth table? Truth table indicates the specific values of Boolean expression. Okay, for every possible combination of variables. You didn't understand, I know that. Let us go back. See, In X OR operator, AND operator, and NOT operator, these are Boolean expression. X plus Y, X into Y, okay, X bar, okay, all are Boolean expressions, okay. These Boolean expression, the output is calculated based on input combinations. Here input combination. How many combinations we get? For two variables, we get four combinations, right? Let us see. For not operator, we have only one variable. So one variable means we get two combinations. So it looks like a power. For one variable, 2 power 1. For two variables, 2 power 2. So then for three variables, 3 power 2 power 3. For n variables, it is 2 power n. Okay, that is the possible combinations available in truth table. So number of possible combinations are 2 power n. And when n is equal to number of variables, and one more thing, the truth table column, if two columns are equal, if two columns are equal, then those Boolean expressions are also equal. Those Boolean expressions are also equal. Remember this point. Two columns, any column, not only two columns, three columns are also. If columns are same, then those Boolean expressions are also equal. Okay. Let us check the truth table for xy plus z. Okay. xy plus z means three variables. For three variables, we get how many combinations? 8 combinations. 8 combinations means 0, 0, 0 to 111, means 0 to 7. Okay. And here we calculating outputs. This is the original Boolean expression. This is the final Boolean expression. But intermediately we have xy. Okay. Here we have AND operation as well as OR operation. Both are available. So that first perform AND operation. And for that, these two both you performing OR operation. Okay. Let us see the truth table. We have how many combinations? 0 to 7 combinations are available. Okay. 0 to 7. 0 means triple 0, 7 means triple 1. We write this combination. Next, define xy. X into y means AND operation. AND operation will be 1 when both inputs are 1, otherwise 0. So let us check it. Where both inputs are 1 for xy. At 6th and 7th, both inputs are high. So at that places put 1. And remaining all places 0. Okay. Next, xy plus z, and you have to compare now these two equations, these two expressions. Then what is the Boolean for OR operator? What is the condition? When any one of the input is 1, output is 1. So let us check. Both are 0, so 0. 1 is available, so 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. Okay, this is the truth table. So if any two columns are same, here not available, all columns are different. If any two columns are same, those two values are also same. Let us check it. Some more examples. So tautology and fallacy. What is tautology? See, in truth table you get zeros and ones. Here also zeros and one. If entire expression we get one. If entire expression we get one. If all becomes one. These are all becomes one. Then this Boolean expression is called as tautology. If all are zero means fallacy. Okay. Let us see some examples of tautology and fallacy. So output is 0 means fallacy. Output is 1 means tautology. I am taking two variables, single variable p and performing complement, and for that p and p bar I am performing OR operation and AND operation. Now put p value 0, then p bar will be 1. Now perform OR operation. 0 plus 1 means 1. AND operation. 0 into 1 means 0. Now put p value is equal to 1. Then what is p bar? 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 into 1, 0. So here observe p plus p bar is always 1. P into p bar is always 0. So p plus p bar is tautology. Okay, p into p bar is fallacy. Next, basic theorems of Boolean algebra. Let us see. 1 into 1 means 1. Okay. Next, 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. 1 into 0, 0 into 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Okay. Now consider 0 into 0, 0. Next, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. We know that 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 means 1, 0. But why we writing 1 plus 1 is equal to 1? Because in Boolean algebra, plus means what? OR operation. When two inputs are high, output is high. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, remember. In Boolean algebra, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. In binary addition, 1 plus 1 means 1, 0. Next, 1's complement is 0, 0's complement is 1. This is the basic theorem. Remember this. Using these values, we have to prove remaining theorems. Okay. Next, properties of Boolean algebra. First property, operation with 0. Okay, I am taking variable a. A plus 0 is equal to a. How? Let us check it. Put a is equal to 0. What happened? 0 plus 0. So it is 0. Now put a is equal to 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So whatever you giving a, answer also getting a. So 0 plus a is equal to a. You can also prove this theorem property using truth table also. Let us draw the truth table. A. Next 0. For a, how many values are possible? Two values, 0 and 1. 0 is constant, fixed. So 2 times you have to write 0 only. Now perform OR operation. 0 plus a. Okay. 0 plus 0 means what? 0. 1 plus 0 means 1. See here, these two columns are same. So 0 plus a is equal to a. Okay. Next, 0 into a. 0 into a. Okay. 0 0 means 0. 1 0 also 0, because AND operation is 1 when both inputs are 1. Here there is no both inputs 1. So 0. So 0 into a is 0. Okay. Next, operation with 1. 1 plus a. Okay. Now let us check. 1 plus a. Now put here 1. 1 is constant. So for all values 1 is here. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus a is always 1. This is tautology. So 1 plus a is equal to 1. We can say this expression as tautology also. And we can say this equation as Falaki. Next, 1 into a. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So 1 into a is a, because these two columns are same. So 1 into a is equal to a. Next property. Idempotence law or identity law. A plus a is equal to a. You can prove using truth table. Let us see the truth table. A, again take a because we taking two values. So a is same means 0 0 1 1. We can possible only these only. Now write a plus a. Okay, and a into a, both. A plus a means 0 plus 0 0, 0 into 0 0. 1 plus 1 means OR operation 1. 1 into 1 means AND operation 1. So see, whatever a plus a is getting, same column. Both columns are equal. All columns are equal. So that is equal to a. So means identity. Same thing we obtaining. That we call idempotence or identity law. Okay. Next, complementary law. A plus a bar is equal to 1. You already checked this truth table using tautology. A into a bar is equal to 0. You are this one also checking tautology truth table, right? Next, a bar whole bar is equal to a. How? Let us check that one. A. Next, find out a bar. Next, for that a bar, you have to find out complement. Okay. Now a, how many combinations possible? One variable means two combinations, 0 and 1. Now put here 0 complement is 1, 1's complement is 0. 0 1 means okay, leave it. Next, now a bar, this is a bar. You have to perform complement for this. 1's complement is 0, 0's complement is 1. See, this column is same as A. So A bar whole bar is equal to A. Okay. Next, absorption law or redundance law. Redundance means extra material which is waste. Here see, A plus AB. Answer is equal to A. Means we not using this one, right? We not using AB. Simply we using A. So this one is redundant here also. Okay, we neglecting B. So redundance. Next one is a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Let us check proofs of it. I am doing using theorems. You do using truth table. Okay. Let us see. A plus ab is equal to a. How? Let make common a. So 1 plus b. Previous properties 1 plus b means what? 1. So a into 1. Previous property a into 1 means a. So a plus ab is equal to a. We get this one. Okay. Next, a of a plus b. Now multiply this. A into a. A into a. Next, a into b. Here only we have a into a means what? A. So right here a plus ab. Just now we proved a plus ab is equal to how much? A. Okay. Next, last one. A plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. How? A plus a bar b. Now see. Let us see. Here there is one. Consider 1. A into 1. Because a into 1 means a. We know that. I am taking like this. Okay. Plus a bar b. Next. Now consider 1 as 1 plus b. 1 plus b means already we know that it is 1. I am taking 1 plus b. Okay. Now multiply. What happened? A into 1 means a. A into b means ab. Okay. Next we have a bar b. Okay. In these two terms common, take common b. What happened? B of a plus a bar. A plus a bar means what? 1. So this part becomes b. We have already a. So a plus b. Answer is a plus b. Okay. Once again I am saying that property C. A plus a bar b. Okay. Now consider a into 1 plus a bar b. That is equal to replace 1 with 1 plus b. 1 plus b also 1, we know that. But I am taking that one. A bar b. Next, multiply a plus ab plus a bar b. Now, from remaining two terms, take common b. A plus a bar. What happened? A plus a bar means 1. So, 1 plus, sorry, a plus b. Okay, this is the proof. Next, commutative law. A plus b is equal to b plus a. You already know that. AB is equal to BA. Associative law. A plus B of plus C. A plus of B plus C. Both are same. AB of C is equal to A of BC. You can prove this using truth table itself. Okay. Next, distributive law. Distributive law means A of B plus C is equal to, just multiply it, AB plus AC. A plus BC. A plus B, A plus C. Okay. Next, Continuous theorem. Continuous theorem, let us see. AB plus A bar C plus BC is equal to AB plus A bar C. We removing this term C. Okay. And same, we replacing AND with plus, plus with AND. Okay. Both are same. But we replacing AND with plus, plus with AND. Okay, let us check the proof for first one. How we calculate it? See, AB plus A bar C plus, I am taking 1 into BC. 1 into BC means 1, sorry, BC, you already know that. I am taking that one. Now replace 1 with A plus A bar. Replace 1 with A plus A bar. A plus A bar means 1, you already know that, right? Just replace that one. A plus A bar. Next, BC. Next, AB plus A bar C plus multiply BC into A. ABC plus A bar BC. Okay. Now, in this equation, what we have to do means separate terms, first and third, second and fourth. AB plus ABC. Next, A bar C plus A bar BC. That is equal to. Now make common AB. 1 plus C. Now make common A bar C. What happened? 1 plus B. That is equal to 1 plus C means it is 1. 1 plus B means 1. So AB plus A bar C. Okay. This is the proof. Now how we perform second one? Okay. Let us see the second one proof. 0 plus something is something, right? Now I am doing that one only. A bar plus C. I am taking 0 plus B plus C now. That is equal to A plus B, A bar plus C. Now I am writing 0 with A into A bar. A into A bar means 0. You already know that. Okay. Next, A plus B into A bar plus C into, here you observe, using Boolean distributive property. Okay, here there is product plus sum. So I am distributing this. How? A plus B plus C. Okay. Next, A bar plus B plus C. Okay. Next, I am rearranging the terms. I am writing A plus B plus C. Okay. Next, A bar plus C. Next, A bar plus B plus C. Okay. Now, from first two terms, make common A plus B. If I remove A plus B, what will happen? We have 1. Okay, 1 plus C. Now, common A bar plus C. What we have? 1 plus B available. So 1 plus C means 1. 1 plus B means 1. So answer is A plus B into A bar plus C. Okay, this is the theorem for proof for second one. Next, De Morgan's law. De Morgan's theorem means R operation whole complement is equal to, let us see, R operation whole complement is equal to complements and operation. Complements and operation. Here you observe, and operation whole complement is complements R operation. So remember this theorem. Using truth table, you have to prove it. In PTSP, you already learned this one using Venn diagrams. In school level also, you draw the Venn diagrams. Using Venn diagrams, you classify these things. Okay. Next. Principle of duality. What is duality? Duality means two expressions can be said dual if and only if replace AND operation with OR operation and OR operation with AND, and replace zeros with 1, 1 with zeros. Okay, and compare identities. Okay, see, I am given one expression, A plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, the dual of this one is replace plus with AND, 1 with 0. So A into 0 is equal to 0. These both are dual. One more example is available here. The dual of this expression is this one. Replace AND with plus, plus with AND. Okay. Then we get this one only. So these both are dual. Okay. Here also. These two are also dual. See, plus is replaced with and replaced with plus. These both are also dual operations. Okay. In exams, dual operations will be important mostly. Okay. And conscious theorem. So provide truth table for AB plus BC plus CA. State and prove De Morgan's theorem. State and prove conscious theorem using other theorem, and also truth table. Using truth table also you have to prove. Using other theorems also you have to prove. Okay. Thank you for today's class.